Being Latina and a woman, people assume we can't be successful, or we can't own a business, or we can't be the boss. But what they don't know is that Latinas are fearless and powerful, and they can accomplish anything that they set their minds to.
Money.
I'm Jennifer Lopez, and I am the founder of JLo Beauty. Nací y crecí en el Bronx, Nueva York. Mi primer trabajo cuando era niña fue en un salón de belleza. Cuando decidí establecer JLo Beauty, quería que fuera una reflexión de la gente como yo, donde yo crecía. The team and I spent over 2 years creating these products, but in reality, I've spent over 20 years thinking about it. This is my baby. This is what I dreamed of. Getting to launch my brand with Sephora really was like a dream come true. Sephora speaks to everyone, and I designed my skincare line to do the same. You know, your skin tone, your age, your gender, these shouldn't be barriers because there is no single definition of beautiful. Growing up, I had the most beautiful mom who passed down her legendary beauty secrets to me. Her secret to glowing skin, well, her secret to everything was olive oil. The problem with straight olive oil from your kitchen is that it's not always great for the skin. Not to mention, you can smell like a salad, and nobody wants that. As a Latina, when I was younger, it was all about like bar soap, like hand soap. It wasn't until I started working in the entertainment industry, you know, beating up my skin and being constantly on the go, that I started learning more and being exposed to products from dermatologists, makeup artists, and other women I was working with. While there were people around who were always suggesting something, I had to go through my own real trial and error to see what really worked for my skin. So I took the family secret and worked with the best formulators in the world to develop my products. I made JLo Beauty to help women tap into that limitless feeling, to help get that glow from the inside out. I think for me, I know it's so important for all of us to feel like we belong. And like most people, there's so many times in your life where you feel like an outsider. I feel like that in Hollywood sometimes. I still feel that way. But the truth is, you just need your little tribe. I believe we all have this limitless power inside us that makes us unstoppable. I've worked really hard to get where I am today, and I've learned that the only way to truly feel beautiful is to love and accept yourself fully for who you are. So to me, JLo Beauty isn't about an age, it's about a mindset, a way you live, a way you think, a way that you love yourself.